Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. With the holidays just around the corner, it's the perfect time to start decluttering and making space for joy and celebration. Clearing out unnecessary items can reduce stress, make your home feel more inviting, and help you enjoy the season to the fullest. Today, we're going to talk about 10 things you should declutter before the holidays to embrace minimalist living. Let's jump right in. The first thing is old holiday decorations. Holiday decorations tend to pile up over the years, and it's easy to find yourself holding on to items that are broken, outdated, or simply no longer meaningful. Before the holiday season gets into full swing, take some time to sort through your decorations. Look closely at each piece and decide whether it still brings you joy or serves a purpose in your current holiday setup. If you find items that are damaged, faded, or don't match your style anymore, it's time to let them go. Consider donating gently used decorations that are still in good condition but no longer fit your taste. This can bring joy to someone else. By keeping only the decorations that truly resonate with you and enhance the holiday spirit in your home, you'll not only save space, but also make decorating more enjoyable and less overwhelming. A well-curated selection of meaningful decorations can transform your home into a cozy, festive space without the clutter. So, embrace the opportunity to refresh your holiday collection by decluttering and create an environment that reflects the joy and warmth of the season in a way that feels authentic and stress-free. The next thing on this list is unused gift wrap and supplies. Unused gift wrap and supplies often pile up over time, leading to unnecessary clutter, especially around the holidays when every bit of space is valuable. To start decluttering, gather all your wrapping paper, ribbons, gift bags, and other related supplies into one area. Carefully examine each item and discard anything that is torn, crumpled, or too small to be of use. Focus on keeping a select few versatile and neutral wrapping options that can work for various occasions, not just the holidays. This way, you can save space and have a tidier, more efficient wrapping station. Consider donating any extra items that are still in good condition but won't be used by you. Someone else might appreciate having them. By simplifying your wrapping supplies, you can reduce the stress of finding what you need when you're in a hurry to wrap gifts. Additionally, having a neatly organized wrapping station will make the entire process more enjoyable and less chaotic. This small step in decluttering can greatly impact your overall holiday experience, making it feel less hectic and more focused on the joy of giving rather than the stress of managing unnecessary clutter. The next thing on this list is old candles and scents. Old candles and scents can take up valuable space in your home, especially when they've been tucked away and forgotten over time. Before the holiday season, it's a great idea to go through your collection of candles, air fresheners, and diffusers. Often, we keep candles that have burned unevenly, lost their fragrance, or simply don't match our taste anymore. Instead of letting these items continue to clutter your shelves, take a moment to sort through them. Discard candles that are almost burned out, have lost their scent, or are no longer appealing to you. For candles that are still in good conditions but don't spark joy, consider donating them or giving them to friends who might appreciate them. By keeping only your favorite scents, you'll not only create a cozier atmosphere during the holidays, but also make your space feel more intentional and relaxing. This simple act of decluttering can significantly enhance the ambience of your home, making it a more inviting place for both you and your guests. Clearing out old candles and scents is a small yet impactful step towards a more organized and pleasant living space, especially as you prepare for the holiday season. The next thing on this list is outdated or unnecessary clothing. Decluttering your wardrobe before the holidays is a great way to feel more organized and refreshed. Start by sorting through your clothes and pulling out anything that no longer fits, feels uncomfortable, or is out of style. Be honest with yourself about what you actually wear and what's just taking up space. If you haven't worn something in the past year, it's probably time to let it go. Consider donating gently used items to a local charity or shelter where they can bring joy to someone else. By decluttering your closet, you make room for pieces that you truly love and that reflect your current style. This can make getting dressed for holiday events easier and more enjoyable, reducing the stress of deciding what to wear. Plus, a streamlined wardrobe means less time spent searching for outfits and more time enjoying the season with family and friends. Remember, the goal is to keep items that make you feel good and confident. Decluttering your clothing not only helps you stay organized, but also sets a positive tone for the holidays, allowing you to focus on what truly matters during this special time of year. The next thing on this list is mismatched socks and gloves. Sorting through your mismatched socks and gloves is a simple yet effective way to declutter before the holidays. Begin by emptying your drawers and laying out all your socks and gloves to see exactly what you have. Discard any items that are missing their pairs, have holes, or are too worn to provide comfort and warmth. It's easy to let these mismatched items pile up, but taking the time to clear them out can streamline your daily routine, making it quicker and easier to find what you need on chilly mornings. Focus on keeping only those pairs that are in good condition and that you actually enjoy wearing. You might be surprised at how much space this simple task can free up, leaving your drawers organized and your mornings less stressful. Consider donating any good quality pairs that you no longer need, as they can be a great help to someone else during the colder months. By decluttering your socks and gloves, you're not just tidying up. You're also creating a more functional and pleasant space that sets a positive tone for the busy holiday season ahead. This small action can bring more order and warmth to your everyday life. The next thing on this list is expired and unused foods. To ensure a smooth and stress-free holiday season, start by tackling your kitchen and sorting through expired and unused foods. Begin by examining your pantry, fridge, and freezer for items that have passed their expiration dates or are unlikely to be used. Discard any outdated products or those that have been sitting untouched for months. This not only helps clear valuable space, but also prevents unpleasant surprises when you need to prepare meals for holiday gatherings. It's also a great opportunity to reorganize your food storage areas, making it easier to find and access ingredients when you need them. Keep only the items you genuinely plan to use and that are still in good condition. By doing this, you'll create a more efficient cooking environment and ensure that you have room to stock up on fresh ingredients for your holiday recipes. Additionally, a well-organized kitchen can reduce stress and make meal preparation more enjoyable, allowing you to focus on spending quality time with family and friends. This simple decluttering step can make a significant difference in how smoothly your holiday season unfolds, providing both practical and emotional benefits. The next thing on this list is toys and kids items. If you have children, you're probably familiar with how quickly toys and kids items can accumulate. Before the holiday season gets into full swing, it's a great idea to sort through these items to create a more organized and functional play area. Begin by gathering all the toys, games, and books into one space. Evaluate each item to determine its condition and relevance. Involve your children in the process by asking them to decide what they still enjoy and what they might be ready to part with. This not only helps them learn about decluttering, but also ensures that you're making decisions based on what truly matters to them. Discard or donate any broken toys, items they've outgrown, or those that haven't been played with in a while. By making room for new holiday gifts and keeping only the things that are in good condition and still enjoying, you'll create a more organized and inviting play space. This simple decluttering step can make it easier for your children to find and enjoy their favorite toys, while also setting a positive example for managing belongings and appreciating what they have. The next thing on this list is old pet supplies. If you have pets, it's essential to declutter old pet supplies before the holiday season arrives. Pets tend to accumulate a variety of toys, beds, and accessories over time, many of which may become worn out or no longer serve their purpose. Start by gathering all these items and inspecting them closely. Discard any worn-out toys, beds that have seen better days, or items that are no longer used. This process not only helps in maintaining a cleaner home, but also ensures that your pet's living area remains comfortable and inviting. Consider keeping only those items that are still in good condition and that your pet actively enjoys. Donating gently used items like toys and bedding to local shelters or animal charities can also make a positive impact. This decluttering step can simplify your pet care routine, prevent unnecessary clutter, and ensure that there is more space for new holiday gifts or activities for your pet. A well-organized pet area will help you maintain a clean and pleasant environment, allowing you to focus more on enjoying the holiday season with your furry friends. The next thing on this list is outdated electronics and accessories. Old electronics and accessories often clutter our drawers and shelves, taking up valuable space. To prepare for the holiday season, it's a good idea to declutter these outdated items. Start by collecting all your old gadgets, chargers, and headphones into one place. Check each item to see if it still works and whether it is compatible with your current devices. Dispose of or recycle any items that are broken, obsolete, or no longer useful. Many of us hold on to outdated technology, thinking we might need it someday. But this can lead to a chaotic and disorganized space. By clearing out these old electronics, you not only make room for new tech you might receive during the holidays, but also create a more streamlined and organized living area. Ensure you recycle electronic waste properly to minimize environmental impact. This decluttering process helps simplify your tech setup and can make it easier to find and use the gadgets you actually need. Ultimately, a tidier tech space allows you to start the new year with a clean slate, making your home more functional and ready for whatever new gadgets come your way. The final thing on this list is forgotten hobby supplies. Over time, hobby supplies can accumulate, often leading to clutter from projects we've long since abandoned. Before the holiday season begins, it's a good idea to tackle these forgotten supplies. Gather all your craft materials, musical instruments, and sports equipment into one area and assess their condition and relevance. If you find items that are no longer of interest or have been collecting dust for years, consider donating them to local charities or selling them. This not only frees up valuable space in your home, but also allows others to benefit from items that might still be useful. By decluttering these supplies, you reduce the clutter and the lingering guilt of unfinished projects, making your home feel more organized and functional. Plus, It can give you a fresh start and possibly open up space for new hobbies or interests that you're excited about. A well-organized space can also make it easier to engage in the hobbies you do enjoy, as everything will be neatly arranged and accessible. Simplifying your collection of hobby supplies can enhance your overall environment and make room for new and meaningful activities in the coming year. Decluttering before the holidays can be a rewarding process, making your home feel more spacious, organized, and ready for the festive season. By letting go of what no longer serves you, you create room for joy, relaxation, and new memories. Thank you for watching, and I hope these tips inspire you to declutter and embrace minimalist living this holiday season. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your decluttering journey in the comments below. Happy holidays, and see you in the next video.